What's up, YouTube? It's your boy the Clouded Barber, back at it with another video. Today we are going to be reviewing this bad boy right here, the FX02, a black version, okay? It doesn't get better than this, okay? I didn't even know they made a black version until I saw it on a website, and I was like, I gotta get this. Boom, got it in the mailbox a couple days ago, and here she is. So let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so here we are with the Babyliss FX02 Black Shaver, okay? This is a dope shaver. I got the silver one. I saw the black one and I just decided, you know what? I want the black one because it just looks dope. And you know what? The problem I find with the silver one is it's very shiny. It's very glossy. So when you're using it to shave clients, give them their bald tapers or bald fades, the light, it shines off of it and like blinds you. But aside from that, it's a dope product. So I decided to get this one, and then I'll do comparisons, show you guys what the difference is, which there really isn't except the color, but I'll show you anyways. Okay, so it's the unboxing, my friends. Alright. Okay, let's pull all this out. See, we don't need this. See ya. Comes with a nice little pouch. You guys see that? Nice little Babyliss Pro pouch, so you can simply throw your trimmer in there. Boom, boom. If you're a mobile barber, shut it up and go about your business. It comes with the instructions, which clearly I'm sure we all know how to use it, but for those who don't, the instructions are in the box. Tells you how to use it, all the maintenance, all that. All right. Comes with a nice little sticker, Babyliss sticker. Babyliss for barbers, of course. If you want to stick it on your station or your car, or stick it on your forehead, for all I care, wherever you want. It comes with your standard Babyliss FX02 charger, same as the silver one, the rainbow one, the gold one, standard charger, so you can use this with your other ones. And the beast. And the beast. Look at this. Woo, look at that, boy. Oh my god. Look at that. Like, it's just so elegant. You know what I mean? And it's not that shiny. Like, it's actually got like a nice
one eternity later,
matte paint on it. It's kind of like a satin, black, where it's not got too much of a sheen or shine, but it's still a little bit there. Definitely a lot less than what the silver and all the other mirrored finishes are, that's for sure. But these are interchangeable, the caps, so you can use your caps from your silver ones, your gold ones, whatever color you got, you can use the cap, throw it on, and you'll have that looking all multicolored and cool. You can also take this off, the foil itself. It's interchangeable as well, so you can put your other colors on depending on what color you have, and it can be interchangeable and look really cool if that's the look you're going for. Kaboom! This is it. But as you can see how it's like a nice matte here, but it's a little more sheen here, or a little shiny here, but it's definitely, as well, it's definitely not a fingerprint magnet. I mean, you can see a little bit, but it's not a fingerprint magnet really. Like, you can't really see much there, but I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's not really much of a fingerprint magnet. If you've got real greasy hands up here, it'll get all greasy and stuff, but aside from that, I mean, this is great. Would have been nice, I mean, it's gold, matte, and then it would have been like nice if it was like a little bit of a gold Babyliss logo here instead of the white. But aside from that, who cares about that? It's dope. Same as all the other shavers, really. I just saw it and just needed to get it. So I'll show you guys a comparison. And this is a sound test, by the way. Sound test with the cap on. Thumbs up in my books, baby. Okay, so as you can see, I got the black one here. I got the silver one here. Look at that. Oh, it's a fingerprint magnet like a mofo. I don't know, it's still a great shaver. Works amazing. Always has, always will, I think. I've gone through maybe like one head, you know, the blades and stuff, but I've had this for quite a while. It's brand new. I won't be needing any new blades for this for a while. That's the difference. Just the color, really. See how the shine is different? Everything's just different. Fingerprint magnet, not a fingerprint magnet. Silver, matte black, satin black, whatever you want to call it. Both great shavers, exact same thing, just the difference is the color. I will have a link in the description below where you can purchase yours if you are in Canada. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or have any suggestions of what videos you'd like to see next, please leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, I'm silly. I totally forgot. I'm sorry. It's been a rough week, okay? It's been a rough week. I'm doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, okay? 1K. I know I'm at like 187 right now. We got a ways to go, but I'm doing a 1K giveaway, and I'm giving away the Andis Slimline Pro Li Zero Gap Silver version in box. Everything included. It's only been used once or twice by me, and only me. One of you lucky guys can get a free Slimline Pro Li once I hit my 1,000 subscribers, okay? So don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get me to 1,000 subscribers, and let's get one of you lucky guys to win this Andis Slimline Pro Li, okay? I appreciate you guys. Nothing but love. Keep your head up, stay strong, and let's get through this together. Clouded Barber, I'm out.